we're back at Barber. This is the one where I won an iPhone from, and he's back with an iPad mini, which is even sweeter. Check that out. So again, I just go the last day before he refills it, so the payout rate is due. Oh, I just missed it. Wow, that's close though. Let's try again. That might be good. Oh, are you serious? Missed it again. Man. Ooh, that's got it. Oh, so close. Jeez. Let's try that. Man. Still hasn't paid out yet. Nope, it's still rigged. Oh man. Let's see if we can get it. Oh. Oops. That was close. I think it's due to pay out. Going in. Oh. That was so close. It like slipped around it. I would have had it. Alright, let's go for this again. Oh my gosh. I got it. No way. Oh my gosh. Seems empty. I think you have to call the number inside and stuff, but oh my gosh. Dude. Finally, it took me like a few weeks, but it's worth it. Oh my gosh. Still have 3 tries on here. Go for the $50 gift card. No, that's right. But I can't complain. I got an iPad mini. Dude, again, I can't believe this. 2 Apple products in like over a month. That's crazy. Nope, rigged. Alright. Well, that's it. Got the iPad mini.